Hi, my name is Ivan Hernandez, and my project's about changing an image to black and white on Photoshop. Our project steps is what you do is to make a photo black and white, you need to change the color elements and making the contrast different than a regular photo. And also you got to make sure that light and darkness of the image is different, so that way the photo can become black and white. And make sure that the color scheme is the right way too. You also have to make sure the lightest part of the image needs to be 255 in order to be at the lightest it can be, and the darkest parts needs to be the opposite of the light parts. The project description is you got to make sure every single layer is correct, or else it's not going to come out the way you need it to be, and make sure that every single black and white photo is up to. You got to make sure every single black and white photo is right, because if it's not, then each color element is going to be different. And concepts learned is basically have understanding how to use Photoshop and knowing how to use each tool and making sure you know how to change the image. The fun aspects is learning all the new vocabulary that the project presents and knowing how each photo relates to how it can be black and white. And also you have to know how to apply color. Also applying selective color technique is also important. It's pretty fun. The challenges are changing any photo to black and white and making sure the layers are correct. That was the hardest part about the project. So solving the challenges, it's hard to change a photo to black and white, so sometimes Photoshop is not going to always tell you how to do it, so you need to know how to do it yourself. So make sure you know what you're doing before you go back into it. Also, like the layers, you need to be able to know how to edit them and adjust them the way you need to be. Yeah, the challenges are basically the same thing, making sure every photo is black and white and the layers and the masks are correct. Solving the challenges is basically making sure that